Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into exciting details about the upcoming OnePlus Open 2 foldable phone. If you're a fan of innovative smartphones or just love to stay updated with the latest tech, this is the video for you. First, let's talk about the release date. The OnePlus Open 2 is expected to hit the market in early 2025. This foldable phone is anticipated to bring some impressive features and improvements over its predecessor. The design of the OnePlus Open 2 is similar to its previous model, featuring a large circular camera module. However, the display is expected to be larger, with an 8-inch 2K LTPO OLED screen. This high-quality screen will provide vibrant colors and sharp visuals, enhancing your viewing experience. Under the hood, the OnePlus Open 2 will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. This advanced processor will ensure smooth and efficient performance, making multitasking and gaming a breeze. Now, let's talk about the cameras. The OnePlus Open 2 will feature 350MP sensors for the main, ultra-wide, and telephoto cameras with 3x optical zoom. These high-resolution sensors will allow you to capture stunning photos and videos. Additionally, the phone will have two selfie cameras, one with 32MP and the other with 20MP, ensuring that you always look your best in selfies and video calls. One of the significant improvements in the OnePlus Open 2 is its thickness. The phone is expected to be thinner than previous models, making it more comfortable to hold and use. It also boasts an IPX8 water resistance rating, providing added durability and protection against water damage. When it comes to colors, the OnePlus Open 2 will be available in white, black, and additional color options. This variety of colors will allow you to choose a phone that matches your style and preferences. In summary, the OnePlus Open 2 foldable phone is set to be an impressive device with features like a larger 8-inch 2K LTPO OLED screen, Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, high-resolution cameras, and improved design. We'd love to hear your thoughts about this new phone and which features you're most excited about. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.